In late 2023, Zimbabwe found itself embroiled in controversy following a series of by-elections. Opposition lawmakers faced recall, barred from participating, leading to accusations of an attempt to consolidate power by the ruling party, ZANU-PF. This political maneuver inflamed concerns about the erosion of multi-party democracy and the possible imposition of a one-party state. The CCC, led by CHAMISA, condemned these recalls as undemocratic, calling for a broader societal engagement to demand free and fair elections. Yet, the ruling party's actions appeared to aim towards securing a two-thirds majority in parliament, extending the president's tenure and pushing for constitutional amendments. The political landscape in Zimbabwe teetered on the brink of authoritarianism and restricted competition. By February 2024, the CCC found itself in turmoil. CHAMISA resigned, citing infiltration by the ruling party. His leadership style had been criticized for its lack of organization, leading to divisions within the party. The party's stability was shaken by leadership battles and court rulings, and CHAMISA's departure only added fuel to the fire. In a twist of fate, the self-proclaimed Secretary General of the CCC found himself silenced, denied the chance to speak on the floor of the court. An embarrassing moment indeed, but one that underscores the chaotic state of the opposition party. In summary, Zimbabwe's political landscape has been marked by controversy and upheaval. From questionable by-elections and accusations of a one-party state, to the resignation of the main opposition leader and the silencing of voices within the CCC, the journey has been tumultuous. As the future of the opposition remains uncertain, one thing is clear: the struggle for a free and fair democracy in Zimbabwe continues.